Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. Oh my gosh, look at the sun. The sun is shining on my tree. How gorgeous is that? Check it out. I've got Ipsy, the Glam Bag Plus, and the Glam Bag to share with you. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, so they do send me this for free. But now Ipsy is joining with Boxycharm. Yes, check it out. Gorgeous together. And there's going to be all new levels for subscription. There's going to be Glam Bag, Boxycharm, the Icon Box. They just sent me, check it out, Better Than Chocolate as a welcome gift. How fun is that? So I will have more news on this in April, but I wanted to show you this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette. I gotta smell this. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Check it out. These are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Ipsy, for sharing this with me. I might just review that. Oh my gosh. So we're going to dig into these March bags. So it's called Step Into Your Power. And let me see what this is about. Living your best life. So I'm going to do the little bag first. Super cute. This looks kind of like, I don't know, it looks like something Princess Leia would carry on Star Wars. By the way, I got a really cool Star Wars shirt today. I got to share that with you in another video. I'm thinking about May the 4th be with you already, but it's in the wash. I got to show you my new Star Wars shirt. Oh, it's got blue inside too. This is like super pretty. Look at this. I like this bag. So in the little bag, I got a, what is this? Paranova. This looks like, what is this? Is this a, oh, it's a lip liner. It looks like a lip liner. Yep, lip liner. I got a lip liner. I got the Kinship Bright Wave Vitamin C Eye Cream. I got a lash treat. Oh, this is from Tarte. I should try that. And then I also got the Perfect Pore Glow on Beauty. No, Glow on Fifth Beauty. This is called a detoxifying mask. And then I also got the Hey Honey Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. And then in the Glam bag, by the way, I love these bags. I always find uses for these bags, like every month. I'm a huge fan of the bag. And this one's super pretty for summer. I use these sometimes to go to the beach and collect beach glass in. So that'll be fun. I got the Ren Clear Skincare. This is the Evercome Barrier Support Elixir. Check that out. So sunny, you can't even see. I got the Levito. This is the Aromatic Body Lotion, Musk and Coconut. I'm actually going to smell this. Let me see what this smells like. I'm in the mood for some beach. Oh, there goes Coco. What's Coco barking at? There's squirrels out there today?
No, somebody's walking by.
Oh, somebody walking by with a dog. Oh, that smells good. This actually smells really good. Check that out. Oh my gosh, you can't even see. Look at that. Okay. I also got the Wander Beauty Sunkissed. Check out this. It's a little palette here. Let me open this guy up. Oh, that's really pretty, actually. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Those are really, really pretty colors. I like Wander Beauty, too. That is nice. I got the, my first sunscreen of the season. This is the Mineral Sunscreen Zinc Oxide SPF 30 from First Aid Beauty. And then I also got an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Check out this. This is in the shade Pasadena. Check it out. That's really pretty. So lots of good stuff this month from Ipsy. Thank you so much for sending me these bags. And then I'm kind of excited. I get to see what happens next month. Ipsy X Boxycharm. I'm really curious about this icon box. Experience 8 uber coveted products curated by beauty's biggest icons, worth up to $350 for only $58 a quarter. So that sounds fun. Anyway, yeah, that was fun. I will see you guys soon. Have an awesome Sunday night. Bye-bye.